Hi everyone, I'm Karina Godwin and I want to talk to you today about our Kind Conversation workshop. It's one day of learning how to speak properly. And I'm not talking about grammar, I'm not talking about manners, I'm literally talking about how to communicate with people in an empowered way that has you in a space where you are literally being heard, having your needs met, and contributing to conversations in a way that has not got you being aggressive or obstructive or giving the silent treatment, and you're not receiving that back in your relationships either. It's an incredible workshop. A couple of graduates, a couple who from our first workshop put it into play for their Christmas family break, and which by all accounts has not always been fabulous, and they had the best Christmas ever. So it really works, and that's the kind of feedback that we're getting all the time from this workshop. I look forward to sharing it with you. Come and see us. If we're not in your area, maybe contact us to see if you can get a group together. Maybe I can come to your space or your area. I'd love to be with you and to share this information with you, because life is just happier, it's more empowered, and you're literally spending your time putting your energy into things that you love rather than into conflict and silent wars and, things that half the time you don't even know what they're about. So join me for the Kind Conversation workshop. I look forward to sharing this with you, and I'll talk to you soon.